Subscribe to Smarttech, press the bell icon on to get the instant updates. Hello friends, welcome coming to the video back. So, you wanna see something new today? The unboxing of this mic. So come, let's go on the video. So we're gonna see the review of this mic actually. So it's the lowest price. They're given in a discount. Just buy it fast. I bought it now for some 200 rupees. So come, let's open it without wasting time. Here is the mic. Oh my god, that's so good here. You could see. I think I just opened and showed it, right? Yeah. So this is the mic actually. Sorry guys, you can't see properly because I don't have a tripod. So I have got the mic here right now in my hand now. It's looking too cool for a professional YouTuber to wear this, but I'm not actually affordable not affordable, or I don't have time to wear this, but just I want to show a review. I did this. So this coat I'll be wearing for every videos because that's my Smarttech coat. That's good, right? But come, let's wear and see, guys. This is a clip. I think you can see. 1 second. This is paper here. So this is a clip, and I bring it. So here's the mic. Actually, it should be stuck here, right? Or anywhere you like. So already they're given a here to scroll it down like this. I'm gonna scroll it till the end where mic reaches, and here, yeah, you could see. Now let us fix and see it, guys. I'm just very I'm very joyful for opening this. Sorry, I forgot the dialogue. So you could wear it like this, and the wire, if you're wearing a jacket, you could put it inside for here and just connect it to the like this. So here's it. So let's try by using the mic once. So come, let's say I have connected the mic here. I think you can hear me. I'm very happy for it, right, guys? So here's the mic. I think you can hear me. Mic testing 1 2 3. Yeah. So the mic is looking a bit small, but that's enough for me because I'm not a big level right now. But this is one of the cheapest mic you can use. So for the YouTubers who want to use this mic, just 200 rupees, or any other mic if you want, I'll give you an offer when I reach 1000 subscribers. Okay. I think you can hear me what I'm speaking because I don't know if it's hearing or not. Just I'm recording the video. So doesn't it look professional? I'm very happy. Okay, once I review the video, then I'll talk. To all reviewing the video, 1 second, I didn't fit my camera properly. So to all reviewing the video which I did before, it's actually working. So it's actually working. But I got a bit of scare between that, okay? So why? I'll tell you. So what I did was I just actually insert the pin there and just ran the video. So if I insert the pin, I couldn't hear anything here. So I inserted the pin, I couldn't hear anything. I got a very scared. Then I removed it. I checked and it was working. So let's now see the comparison with the mic and without the mic. Come, let's go on to the video. Hi friends, this is Smarttech. So this is how it looks without wearing a mic, okay? I think you can hear it a very big background noise or something else. But when you wear this, it looks awesome and professional really. So let's see with the mic. So this is how it looks, or you can hear with the mic. So you could see I have placed it here. I think that's cool wearing this. I look professional. So this actually isn't for looking professional. It's actually to make the viewers attract me, not for attracting me, because some videos you can't hear properly. I'm really telling. So, but I make you hear in this video by making this. So this is a reviewing of this mic using this mic. So was it nice? Thank you.